I have this nasty wet dog smell coming out of the vents when I have the AC on or the heat, and it's really disturbing. So today I'm going to try the easiest fix first to see if I can get rid of it, and that includes replacing the cabin air filter. It takes about 2 minutes and requires no tools at all. All right, let's get started. Okay, so basically each car is different. I'm doing this on my 2024 Mazda 3 Sport GT, sold in Canada. It has these kind of 4 tabs inside the glove box. I'm just trying to undo those, and then I can remove the cover. That finally gives me access to the cabin air filter in behind. And then I'm going to see 2 little kind of black tabs. Each car is going to be a little bit different. The process is very similar in most modern cars. So give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments. All right, as you can see, you know, the filter is pretty nasty in there. I don't know how good it's showing up on the camera, but this definitely needs to be replaced. It's got sticks and branches and dirt in there, so it's definitely time to replace this thing. That's where that smell is coming from. All right, so as you can see, the new one is it looks a little dirty because it's a charcoal activated one, but I promise you it's brand new. It's not dirty. So we're gonna pop that baby in there, and the issue should be solved. So let's see how it goes. So just keep in mind that replacing the cabin air filter will be different based on your exact car. So one thing I want to mention to you is don't be intimidated. Buying a cabin air filter is pretty simple. And I know this sounds obvious, but you can just shop on Amazon, which is where I bought mine. I used Prime to get it delivered overnight, and I just enter my vehicle, and all the results get filtered by my car. So I know that the one I bought fits my car. You can just double check the description. If you're not too sure, you can always just call your local auto parts store and ask them to reserve one for you and go grab it. One thing I want to note is I wouldn't pay like your mechanic or dealership to do this, because they're going to charge you an arm and a leg for a simple piece like this. Like, these things cost like $20 to $30 at most, depending on where you live. I think mine was $24.99 here in Canada. That means probably around like $15 to $20 US, something like that, depending on where you buy it. All right, so I got the new cabin air filter installed in there, and let's see how it went. So I'm going to start the car now. All right, the car started. Let's get the AC cranking here, or the heat. And everything smells fresh now, so that's great. So that actually solved the issue. That was a pretty nasty cabin air filter. It was definitely in need of replacement. So hope this works for you, and let us know in the comments how it went, and see you in the next one.